Okay, good morning, students. In the last class, we have the sensory system to air, is not it? So today we will discuss about tongue. So with the help of the tongue, what can we know? What can we sense? Yes, we can sense what? With the help of tongue, what can we sense?
Taste, ma'am, taste.
Yes, taste. So we can taste it. It's not it, whether it's salty, whether it's sweet, okay, whether it's spicy, all this, we will be able to know the taste of the things, whatever we are tasting. So this taste, it comes from a Latin word, taxere, okay, which means to touch, to estimate or judge. And these taste buds, you have almost 10,000. Understand? Means which is scattered all around your tongue, which is scattered all around your tongue. Understand? It is in your oral cavity, means it is in your tongue. Understand? Okay, did you understand tongue? Okay, papilla of tongue. So this is the dorsal part, means the overview of this tongue. So this papilla, this dorsal tongue, they are covered by papilla, means this part. Understand? This part. They are covered by what? They are covered by papilla or papillae. So the first papilla or the papillae which we will be getting is circumvallate, circumvallate and fungiform. These two. This is the circumvallate papilla and this is the fungiform papilla. Okay. So this circumvallate or and fungiform papilla, they are the taste buds. They are the taste buds which lie where? Which lies, they are found on the sides. Okay, means they are found on the sides, means here and here. And where we will find this circumvallate and fungiform papilla? We will find that they lie where? In the topmost area. Okay, in the topmost part of the tongue. We will find it there. And we will find that they are numerous. You will find that there are numerous number of papilla in your tongue. There is a circumvallate and the fungiform. These two. Okay. This one and this one. They are large and they are round. The structure or the shape of the papilla is what? Round. They are round in shape. And they are also large. And you will find that they are numerous. Means they are many in number. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is gustatory cell. Okay, next is gustatory cell here. So you will find here this gustatory cell. You'll find somewhere in the circumvallate papilla. If you look closer, I mean, if we will look closer, if you will zoom it, so you will be finding this gustatory receptor cell. And this gustatory cell, they helps in what? They helps in dissolving. They means they dissolve in the saliva. Okay, they are responsible to dissolve the chemical. Okay, whatever chemicals are there, they are responsible for dissolving them, and which will go to your saliva, and afterwards they will go to the epithelial cells, which is known as gustatory cells. Understand? The gustatory cells, they helps in dissolving the what? Dissolving the chemical substance, and they will go to the saliva, and afterwards, which are known as epithelial cells. Okay, epithelial cells, which is known as gustatory cell. This one. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Can you hear me now, Tulunga? Tulunga, can you hear me now? Okay, next is gustatory cells. Gustatory hairs. Next is the gustatory hairs. So you will find here. Understand? You will find here. That is the gustatory hair. So the gustatory hair, what you will find? You will find they are long. Means the shape of the gustatory cell, or the shape of the gustatory hair is long. You will find that they are long, and they are microvilli. Microvilli means what? They are small and they are long. Okay, it is long. And then you will find in this way, which is known as villi. And they will protrude through their taste pores, means they will come out. Protrude means what? Means it will come out. They will come out from your taste pore. Understand? They will come from your taste pore. This is a taste pore. And they will depolarize and impulse are transmitted to the brain. Means they will, they will do polarize. Okay, and afterwards they will send an impulse which will be sent to the brain. Understand? And they are covered up by the saliva. These gustatory hairs, they are covered up by the saliva. And they are responsible for what? They are responsible for, the taste pore. Okay, they are responsible for the taste pore. Next is facial nerve, this one, which you will find in your tongue itself. So this facial nerve is this what? Is a 6 part. It's not it, is a 7 part in the cranial nerves. It's not it. So we will find in the anterior part. Okay, in the anterior part of your tongue, you will find your facial nerve. Next is glossopharyngeal and vagus nerve. This one. This is your vagus nerve and this is your glossopharyngeal nerve. These are the two nerves which you'll find in your this one, cranial nerves. And they are responsible for what? They are responsible for the taste bud. Okay, whatever edible things you are having, they are responsible for what? They are responsible for making it taste. Okay, is it clear? Next is basal cell. This is a basal cell which you will find under your taste pore. This is your taste pore. So this basal cell you will find just underneath, means just downside of your tongue. Okay, and you will find that this basal cell they are replaced by another cell. Okay, after every 7 or 10 days, they are replaced by another cell. Understand? And they lie deep in your tongue. This one. This is your taste pore. They lie deep in your tongue, and this is they change. They change after every 7 to 10 days. They change at that time, and they are responsible for what? They are responsible for the taste buds. Is it clear? Is it clear? Next is skin. So this is your skin. So your skin, it has how many layers? Three layers. Okay, the first is epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. So the skin, they are responsible for what? They are responsible for the touch. Understand? Means they are responsible for the touch, and they are also responsible for what? Protecting your body from the microorganisms. Understand? Means whatever microorganisms or foreign particles are coming, like they are responsible for protecting your skin. And this skin, it has got various functions. So the first function which you will be getting in the skin is what? The skin, they helps you from chemicals and as well as environmental factors. It means all the foreign particles, whatever will come to your body, the skin, they protect. They protect your body. And the skin also, they helps you in what? For not getting dehydration. Okay, it means for you not get dehydration, they helps in that. And next is what? Next is acting as a sensory organ. Means I've already said about this. Means they are responsible for your sense organs. And next is what? Modulating body temperature and electrolyte balance. Means they also helps you in maintaining your temperature as well as electrolyte balance. Means what? Means from getting dehydrated. So okay, for not getting dehydration, they helps you in the electrolyte balance. Means whatever fluids are present in your body, okay, whatever fluids like electrolytes, so they helps you in what? They helps you in balancing all those things. And next is what? Synthesizing vitamin D. So they also helps you in getting the vitamin D. Okay, is it clear? And the skin also, they protect you. They protect you from what? Against pathogens and as well as chemicals. Okay. From getting what? From for not they also protect you from what? They also protect you from entry of water. Understand? Means entry of water whenever you took bath or anything. Like it won't enter inside your body, isn't it? Unless and until you drink the water. So they helps you in what? Preventing the water from getting entered in your body, and also they also helps you in what? They also helps you in sunlight, to block the sunlight, means the UV rays. And in sensory function, I mean, what are the sensory function which you will be getting, in your skin? Means what happens here? The skin, they helps you in what? The skin, they helps you in feeling. It's not it. Means you'll feel something, isn't it? If somebody touch you or if somebody does to you anything, you'll be able to feel it or not. So in that way, the skin helps you in that. Okay, like if anyone like if something is crawling in your skin, suppose I'm giving the example of ant here. So if anything crawls in your skin, what happens? Obviously, you'll be able to feel it. It's not it. So that is because of what? It is because of the skin, which you are able to sense it, and it is possible because of what? It is possible because of the hair, hair follicle. Okay, hair follicle. This is the hair follicle, and because of this hair follicle, which is projecting out, which is coming out from your, this is your what? This is your hair follicle. So this hair follicle, as it will come out, it will come out from this skin. So because of this thing, because of this hair follicle, because of the nerve here, you will be able to feel that like something is happening, something is there in your skin, it's not it. So they are responsible for it. And layers of the skin, you have got three layers of the skin. That is, the first one is epidermis, then dermis, then hypodermis. So these are the three layers of the skin which you will find it. And the layers of the skin, they helps in what? The layers of the skin, they helps you in what? Touch. If somebody touch you, or else surface temperature means you'll be able to know the temperature of hot, cold, okay, and pain. You will also be able to feel the pain. Is it clear? And what is the main thing? I mean, through which you are able to feel, through which you are able to sense, through which you are able to sense something. So it's because of what? Which is there in your skin is because of this one, Meissner corpuscle and Pastinian corpuscle. So because of these two corpuscles, okay, Meissner corpuscle is also known as tactile corpuscle, and Pastinian corpuscle it is also known as lamellate corpuscle. So because of these two corpuscles, you are able to sense something. You are able to feel the touch. You are able to respond to the touch. You are able to respond to the light touch. Understand? So in this Meissner corpuscle, what happens? They are hairless skin. Okay, this is the Meissner corpuscle. You'll find that they are the hairless skin, and they will also find that nerve ending. Okay, nerve ending, they are responsible for transmitting the sensation. So here there is a nerve ending in the Meissner corpuscle. So because of the nerve ending, you'll be able to feel the impulse. Understand? You'll be able to feel the impulse, nerve impulse. I already said, no, because of the nerve impulse, I mean, your brain, they will go and send information to the brain. Understand? And through that, you'll be able to sense it. So this Meissner corpuscle, it is a hairless. Okay, you'll find that they are hairless skin, which is a nerve ending, and through this, you'll be able to feel the touch. Okay, the light touch. Suppose a cotton, if somebody place some cotton in your skin, like if they will do like this, cotton. So even though if you won't see it, but you'll be able to just know it. With the help of what? With the help of this Meissner corpuscle. And next is what? Pacinian corpuscle, which is also known as lamellate corpuscle. So you'll find that this Pacinian corpuscle, you'll find that they are deep. Okay, they are deep receptors compared to Meissner corpuscle. You'll find that they are deep. And you will, with the help of this, you'll be able to feel the sensitive touch. Understand? Means if light touch also, you'll be able to just know sensitive touch, and through this you'll be able to what? I mean, they will vibrate. Understand? They will vibrate pressure, and they means and also the touch. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? So because of the skin also, you'll be able to know the what? The body temperature. Understand? You'll also be able to know the body temperature. I mean, they are responsible for maintaining a body temperature also, which is known as thermoregulation. Understand? And this body temperature, The body temperature which is there in your skin, they are controlled by what? They are controlled by the brain, which is known as hypothalamus. And this hypothalamus, what they do? They will control your body temperature, and they will also do what? They will also open your sweat glands as well as close your sweat glands. Through what means they will contract your muscles, and through that, like they will be able to do it. Is it clear? Now, this skin, the skin they helps in what? The skin they helps in maintaining your body temperature. Which who is controlling all those? Your brain, which is your hypothalamus. Understand? Endocrine system. You remember or not? So the hypothalamus, they are responsible for regulating your body temperature. And what will they do? They will open and close your sweat glands, and also they will contract your muscles. Is it clear, everyone, about hormone regulation? Is it clear or not? And next is motor response. In motor response, what you will get in your skin? The integumentary system. Integumentary system is also known as what? Skin. Okay. They help you in what? They help you in maintaining your body temperature. Understand? They help you in maintaining body temperature, which is known as tight association. And with this, what will happen? The sympathetic nervous system. You remember, no? Sympathetic nervous system, which you will find. They will help you in what? They will help you in monitoring your body temperature as well as your motor response. Motor response in the sense like what? Motor response in the sense like touch, pain. You will be able to feel it, temperature. So in all these cases, the integumentary system, they are responsible for maintaining it. Okay, is it clear about sensory system? Starting from this eyes, ear, tongue, then skin. Is it clear? Eyes, ear, then nose, then tongue, then skin. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear or not? I guess it's clear. Okay, then I'll ask questions. Okay, Masmin, can you hear me? Masmin, can you hear me? Masmin, can you hear me? Okay, Rani, can you hear me or not? Rani, can you hear me? Prakti, can you hear me then? Prakti, Yatulika, Yatulika, Rinkumoni, Kumoni. Can you hear me? Rinkumoni, Kajal, can you hear me? Kajal, Kajal, can you hear me? Okay, Jondeep, can you hear me? Jondeep.
Ma'am.
Yes, Jondeep, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jondeep, can you tell me what are the name of the two corpuscles which you will find in the skin?
Myasthenier corpuscle.
Meissner corpuscle and
And
the other one. Okay, can you see the screen?
yes, Pacinian corpuscle.
Pacinian corpuscle. These are the name of the two corpuscles. Understand, this Meissner corpuscle, they are responsible for what means? They are responsible for light touch. Okay, if somebody touch you very lightly also, okay, maybe someone like place a cotton in your skin, you'll be able to know it. So that is known as what? Meissner corpuscle. Understand? This is the Meissner corpuscle. And next is Pacinian corpuscle, which are responsible for what? Vibration. Understand? Means if someone touch you something, then what happens? They will vibrate this. And through that, like you'll be able to know, like someone touch you and all those things. Means if someone give you pressure, okay. Okay, Q. Can you hear me, Q?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me how many taste buds do we have at the
What,
top of
ma'am?
our how many taste buds do we have above your tongue?
5.
No, I mean not. I don't mean to say like the names. I mean like in general. Generally, like how many do we have? I mean all together. I'm not asking the names. Okay, I'm not asking you to categorize it. I'm just asking in general.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Okay, can you see this? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we have around 10,000. Understand?
Yes,
10,000
ma'am.
taste buds. I think you thought like all this. It's not a circumvented papillae, fungiform. All this. Maybe you were thinking. No, no. I was not asking you about that. I just asked you in general. Like generally, how means the number altogether. Okay, altogether, how many do we have? So we have 10,000. At least 10,000 taste buds. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear, everyone, today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then that's all for today's class.